In this video we going to learn about pipe schedule. 1. What is pipe schedule and what does pipe schedule number represents? 2. Types of pipe schedule. 3. Code reference of pipe schedule. 4. Pipe schedule calculation for given internal pressure, with an example. The pipe schedule number is non-dimensional and depends on the nominal pipe size, internal pipe working pressure, and the pipe material used for the construction. There are 14 pipe schedule numbers are used which are on screen. In the past, only 3 pipe wall thicknesses were used, but these measurements are very vague and aren't used today. Standard, extra strong, double extra strong. The ASME B36.10 and ASME B36.19 specifications cover the dimensions of seamless and welded steel pipes for high and low temperature service, providing combinations of pipe outside diameter and pipe inside diameter, pipe thickness and pipes theoretical weights, in pounds per foot and kilogram per meter. Definition of schedule number. The schedule number indicates approximate value of the expression 1000 xP/S, where P is the service pressure and S is the allowable stress, both expressed in SI.